start, we're going to talk about how we're going to build capacitors today. We're going to take a 7.5 and a 5 we got here. First thing we're going to learn is what happens when we put them in parallel. Okay, these are in parallel. So what we do is really simple. We just add them together. 7.5 plus 5 is what? 12.5? So let's see what we're reading. 12.6. Close enough. Alright, now what happens if we put them in series? So now these two are in series. We got a lead here and a lead here. Okay, when they're in series, what we do, we have a 7.5 and we got a 5. So 7.5 times 5 equals 37 and a half. Then we take our 7.5 plus 5. So now we got to take 12.5 into 37.5. We get 3. So this in series here, as we're going to show you here in a minute, should be 3 microfarad capacitor. By the math, it comes up to 3 microfarads. Let's check that. 3.011. Quick, easy way if you need a 3 microfarad. It's an oddball. Just use these two. Another thing we can do, let's say we're on a job, we need a 40 by 5 capacitor. All you got is a 35 by 5. So if you remember, you put these things in parallel, you just add them together. So what we want to do is jumper the Herm and fan. So now, and we can just put our capacitor, our start winding, either one of these, because they're going to be the same since they're jumpered. And let's measure what we have here. From common to either one of these. So now we have our 41.7. So now there's our 40 microfarad, but now we have our 5 we still have to do. So let's take our 5 and we will jumper this to common. So now we put our fan motor here and our common from our fan motor here, so now we have our 5 and our 40. So that got us out of a bad situation. So this can really get you out of a jam, any situations. Just try different capacitors. And thanks a lot.